In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK in Welcome pop-up. Choose Timeout to make sure Infinite is on and go into Tab menu. Now use this pen at the bottom left corner. Look for a new Caffeine shortcut, and when you find it, hold it and drag it. Place it wherever you want to. And when it's ready, tap on Done. Now you need to click on your shortcut to activate it. As you can see, mine turned blue, which means that Infinite Sleep Time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's grey. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!